Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. This is my first visit to Belagavi after assuming office as the President of India, and I am glad it has coincided with the Platinum Jubilee commemoration of the Karnataka Law Society and Raja Lakhamgowda Law College. Higher education is a subject very close to my heart and a priority for my presidency. My own background has been in the legal fraternity, and for me, law has been not just a profession but a passion. The event today is blessed with eminent legal and public minds. The governor of the state, Shri Vajubhai Wala, is himself a lawyer by training. I must also acknowledge the efforts of the Chief Minister, Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy. He came personally to invite me for this event and was very keen that I make it. It is fitting that the Karnataka Law Society and this college are located in Belagavi. This is a city with rich history of learning and wisdom. Thousands of years ago, it was home to Jain monks who brought with them spiritualism and scholarship. In 1892, Swami Vivekananda visited Belagavi. I am told that the idea of his participation of the World Parliament of Religions in Chicago occurred to him here. As is well known, Swamiji made a big impact in Chicago, and we recently celebrated the 125th anniversary of his address there. At the Parliament of Religions, Swami had said, "Man is not traveling from error to truth, but from truth to truth, from lower to higher truth." This is so meaningful in the context of education. 2 days ago, we observed Ganesh Chaturthi, a festival cherished across the country. During our struggle for independence, it came to be associated with the vulnerable Bal Gangadhar Tilak. I am happy to learn that Lokmanya Tilak inaugurated the Home Rule League here in 1916. Over the years, Belagavi has emerged as a symbol of our nation and a notable home for our military community, our economic assets, and of course, for our cultural and classical music traditions. The founding of the Karnataka Law Society in 1939 was a part of this illustrious legacy. The society was the brainchild of nationalist and socially committed lawyers who thought for the country. They created this society and the law college with the noble intention of training young minds and building lawyers and of promoting the rule of law and governance by laws. As has been mentioned, the founders were skilled lawyers themselves with lucrative practices, yet they selflessly devoted time to the cause of education and even taught in the law college free of charge. I must also pay my tribute to Shrimant Raja Lakhamgowda Sirdesai of Vantumuri. He donated a then seizable sum of 1 lakh rupees to the Karnataka Law Society and allowed its dreams to be realized. The law college was named in his honor. The law of nature teaches us discipline and orderliness. The law that humans right is the basis of civilization. Law is not a career, it is a calling. Much more than a means to earn a livelihood, it is a mechanism to assist the cause of justice, to help the poorest and most unfortunate among us, and to build a society and nation defined by adherence to rules, norms, and fairness. Advocates and judges are, in the ultimate analysis, seekers of truth. That is why so many lawyers were part of the national movement. As we all remember, the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, and the chief architect of our constitution, Baba Sahab B.R. Ambedkar, were both lawyers with the spirit of public service. And the constitution Baba Sahib Ambedkar gave us continues to be the modern scripture of our national identity. Today, the Karnataka Law Society has come a long way. It runs 14 institutions ranging from an institute of technology to a management college to many others, and has a total student strength of 14,000. Its alumni base is both impressive and expensive. 50,000 old students are engaged in professions and activities across the world. The law school itself has thrown up a galaxy of legal minds. These include two former Chief Justices of the Supreme Court of India, Justice E.S. Venkatramayya and Justice S. Rajendra Babu, as well as the Attorney General of India, Shri K. Venugopal. Any law college would be proud of such renowned students, and any student would be proud of such a renowned law college. Ladies and gentlemen, our country is in the midst of dramatic change. Decisions we take today will influence not just our immediate future but perhaps the rest of the century. We have a young and talented population and an exciting economy brimming with opportunities. In the previous quarter, our GDP grew at 8.2%, and this gives an indication of our pace as well as our potential.